Welcome to Meditations for You by Maria Eifel. Where do you get your faith from? Maybe you believe in a higher force, be it God, Allah, Buddha, or Mother Earth. Or maybe you believe in the power of love and the strength within yourself. I believe there is a higher force inside all of us. We are the love. We are the universal energy. Most of us have experienced times in their lives when the faith was gone, when we found it hard to believe things would change, where the energy or love seemed to have disappeared. Maybe you are in such a period right now. I cannot promise you that your sorrow or problems will disappear, but what I will do is hopefully help you get through this moment and hand you a video that you can listen to or watch whenever you feel you need someone around that knows what you are going through. Just sit back or lay down. Close your eyes if you want to, or watch the video. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. In, out, in, out. You are at this moment in time loved. You are at this moment in time safe. You are at this moment in time protected. You can let go of fear. You can let go of doubt. My voice will guide you. I will send you my energy through this video. Just embrace it. Just receive it. It is yours. I am sending you my faith. My faith in you as a human being. As a unique person, as a beautiful person. I have faith that you will be able to reach your goals. You are capable to overcome hard times because you have faith in yourself. Just repeat after me. I have faith. I am strong. I find my faith inside me. I find my strength inside me. Today, I will show you how you can get faith from the simple cross, even if you don't follow Christian religion. You can make a cross your symbol of faith. Each cross has 4 arms: earth, water, fire, air, and in the center of the cross you will find spirit or soul. The cross can also represent our own body, our breathing, our blood, our heart, and again our soul. A cross can be and is so much more. It can stand for humanity as a whole. There are simple crosses, strong, straight. There are crosses full of decorations, crosses that have been damaged, that have fallen down. Some are shiny, well kept, with flowers and people who visit them. And some crosses stand alone, in a forest or a field, with only the birds that visit them. Crosses can be made of wood, steel, stone, marble, but they will always remain a cross. They can be hundreds of years old. They have seen time pass by, experienced wars and storms, but they are still there, like you. Crosses are often found on crossroads, like we have crossroads in our lives. Let the cross become a symbol of faith for you. Get your strength from a cross when you feel helpless, alone, sad, lost, or even angry. When in need of faith, draw a cross on paper or in the air, pretending that this is your body, your life, remembering that the core strength is inside of you. Remember and think or say these words. Let earth give me strength. Let water give me protection. Let fire give me energy. Let air give me clarity. Let spirit give me faith. Be assured, the faith is there, and it will always be there, firmly grounded like the cross. Even though storms and hardship may have worn it out, you have the power to find your faith back. It is never gone. You are loved. You are power. You are strong. You are faith.